Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel, Dumpster Cam. I'm back with another dumpster dive haul. I have been gone for, well, I haven't been gone, but I haven't posted a video in almost a month. It's been a little, I think it was 22 days ago I posted my last video. And recently, in the past few days, I've gotten so many people commenting and asking, making sure I'm okay, checking to see everything's all right. And I really appreciate that. So thank you guys for the concern. I am doing great. Everything is fine. I have been super busy. It started with me going up north to the Upper Peninsula for my grandmother's 100th birthday. So that was a fairly quick trip, but it's a long drive, and obviously I wasn't dumpster diving. I was with my whole family, so that was good. She had a great time, and obviously she's amazing. She's 100 years old, so that's awesome. And then I came back, and I got tonsillitis, and then that turned into laryngitis. So I was down and out for a little bit, and I am better now, but I've just been so busy. And next week I'm going to be so busy as well, so I'll see. We'll see if I have a video up next week. Obviously, I'll keep trying, but I just haven't I've had the time. I've been dumpster diving. I just haven't found a ton, and I haven't had either anything good to film for you guys or the time in the past few days to get this together and film it, but now I do. So thank you guys for sticking around and waiting. And let's get right into the haul. It is nothing huge. This is actually an old find. I just haven't been finding big hauls in a long, long time. That's what happens when there's more divers out in the market, but that's okay. I'm still finding some nice things. Anything I found, I'm thankful for because it's free, obviously, and I still do find things that I really love. So, like I said, this rabbit is an old find. He's just sitting there because I'm hopefully decorating for Easter/spring today and tomorrow. So that's why he's out. But that I found, I think, 2 years ago, and I absolutely love him. Starting right here is this big clock. And as you guys can see, he's a little bit worse for wear. 2 of the numbers have fallen off, and it does not have any hands to tell the time. It's upside down right now, I think. But I don't know what I'm going to end up doing with this. If you have any suggestions, let me know. The rest of the numbers are pretty nice. I suppose I could take those, but without these 2 numbers, I'm not sure what I would do with that. But still, I took it. It used to be a nice clock, I'm assuming, and it still is a nice, palette. So maybe I could use the shape and do something else with it. Maybe make a side table. Who knows? But then my next big find for this haul is this fabulous little ceramic. I'm going to call it a plant stand, but we can just call it decor. It is ceramic, like I said. And I actually found this in a store that tends to destroy everything quite badly. So this I was very happy and a little bit shocked about. It was broken. If you can see this crack right here, it goes all the way across. It was just in 2 pieces though. So you can see the little crack all the way down and around. So I just took the 2 pieces and glued it back together with E6000 glue. And unless you're searching for it, you really can't tell that it was ever broken. So I love that. I'm going to keep it in my living room for now, but eventually, hopefully when we move, I will put that in the bedroom. That, as you guys know, I am planning on doing in blue tones, so that'll be perfect. It has a light blue and a darker blue on it, so love that. Right behind that, I have this home sign, which I actually have one already in my home because I found one a little while ago. This one is absolutely perfect. It is not missing any of the frame. This is actually how it comes. One of the sides was popped off, but I just popped it back on, and now it's perfect. I don't know if there's a price. Nope, no price on this, but I think it was $25, something like that, which I would never pay for that, but it is nice. And then next to that, I have this fabulous tray. It is made in India, handmade with natural wood, it says. It's very nice, smooth wood, metal handles. It does have that crack right there, but this is so thick, this wood, that even when I push on it, it doesn't move together at all. So I'm just going to keep that crack like that. It doesn't really bother me when things are in here. you know, you won't even be able to see it. And the integrity of the tray is still fine. Came from that store right there. Also from that store, I have this little pot of tulips. Obviously, they're fake, but they're the rubbery kind of material, so it's made to look a little bit more realistic than other fake flowers. The pot is chipped right there, but I'll just put that in the back, and nobody will know the difference. And then I have a plastic flower pot for planting flowers. It just has a little hole right here at the bottom. There were tons of these in the dumpster, but all of them were cracked and broken quite badly, except for this one. So I got one. It's pink. I don't know if I mentioned that, but I will use that come springtime here soon. 2 LED light bulbs. These were in the box that they came in, but I took them out because I don't need the box. So I left the box behind, and I took the light bulbs. I have so many light bulbs. I've never, ever purchased light bulbs because I always find them. Okay, right here is a Homedics personal humidifier. And I found a humidifier not too long ago, if you remember, and we adore it. We use it every night. I turn it on every night, and it really keeps the moisture at a good level. So this is good. If I had like an office or a cubicle, I'd put it in there, but I don't. So I will find something to do with this. It's just a little bit smaller version. So that's good. Right here is a frame. The glass is cracked, but the frame is still nice. It just has some makeup on it because there was makeup in the dumpster. But it's gray and white distressed look. Thomasville, obviously. The back is fine, and that's just a cute little frame. This is a Ray Dunn Love mug. It was originally $10. Ray Dunn, as you can see. I'm assuming this was Valentine's Day, but I believe the reason it was thrown away was because it has this tiny little surface crack right there, if you can see that. It doesn't go all the way through. It's just right there. And these mugs are meant to be purposefully lumpy and bumpy. So I don't think that really makes a difference. I wouldn't use it to drink out of anyways. I would just put flowers in it or something like that. So that's a cute find. I do like the Ray Dunn stuff, but I'm not obsessed with it like I've seen some people are. Right here is another flower pot. This one is cracked, and it is not, I mean, it is a little bit of a thicker crack. It goes all the way through. I can actually see through it. So this one I will definitely need to glue, but it was so pretty. Yeah, you can see it on the inside there. And I actually found a bigger flower pot a while ago, last year, that almost matches this perfectly. It's like hand glazed, very pretty. Blues, golds. I like that. I have this. I almost didn't take this because he's broken, but it's just an egg holder, obviously for Easter. I was hoping to find some more spring decor, but that's okay. Beggars can't be choosers. And he's missing an ear. I could not find the ear, so I'm not sure if I'm just going to like sand this down or what I'm going to do, but I ended up taking it because I thought it was cute still. A few random things. I have some flushable moist cleansing cloths from the pharmacy right there. Also from the pharmacy is a pack of 100 cotton facial pads. And then this is not from the pharmacy. I don't really know why these are thrown out. The Best Buy is not until October 2022. This is just blueberry or organic green tea with acai berry and blueberry flavor. And they are in there, if you guys can see that. There we go. Maybe some are missing. I'm not really sure. But there's definitely a lot in there. So that's a good find there. I have this little Chips Ahoy ice cream sandwich maker, which is kind of fun, I guess. It does come with 2 cookies. You put the cookies, you put 1 cookie, some ice cream, and another cookie, and then I guess you mold it together. That came from the $5 store. That's a fun little find. Same with this liquid Wet n Wild liquid cat suit. Is that what that says? Oh, it's an eyeshadow. Okay, so that's just liquid eyeshadow from the $5 store. This came from that store, which I think was kind of funny because it's a food item, but it's just holiday velvet cake mix. It comes with the red velvet and the green velvet for Christmas, but that's fine because it's just cake. Oh, man, that's old, though. Do you guys see that? I didn't even look at that. Best Buy September 2nd, 17. That's almost 3 years ago. But they just They just zeroed it out like 2 weeks ago. I guess they've had this in the back for a while. I don't know if I'll be making that. I'll investigate. I'll let you guys know. But there's that. Sounded good when I took it. These are from the dollar store. I have 3 packs of 2. So 3 2-packs. So 6 cups of the individual macaroni and cheese packs right here. And last but not least is this little bento box. I have it sitting on its thing because it has makeup on it as well. There were actually 2 of these in there. I grabbed both. And on one of them, the bottom was broken, and on the other, the top was broken. So together, I have one full working bento box. It's just a little lunch box. It has the 2 compartments there. It has a little fork and spoon combo. And then this opens up, and you can put, like, maybe a snack in there as well. So I thought that was cute, and I really love the sage green color. Very, very into it this year. So that's it for my haul today, guys. Thank you so much for sticking around and for the concern. I'm going to try to be back more regularly now. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my videos. Dumpster Cam. I know I have been absent for a while, but now I'm back and better than ever, hopefully. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.